Second ranked match of the night. Yes, come on. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude. Do I just pass or set this or do this? Pop that. I would have to set. Wow. Set this and that's it. Oh, I forgot to copy and paste that. Damn it. Whatever. Actually, do that right now. Just go like this. Apply. Like that. 36. Copy. Back. What the fuck is this? Oh. Oh, it overlaps it. That's cool. Boom. Trap tricks? Come on, bruh. Yo! Voice chat? Shut the fuck up. Oh, nice! Nice! Yes! Woohoo! Oh, look at that! Oh, wow! Let's check out. I was at 1183. I went up by 20. Did I get anything? Oh, and I went up by 1 from that surrender. Yes! Woo! Woo! Comment, share, like if you saw this, I'll be selected. See you guys.